Hi everyone, this is Vivek. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Fonts and custom fonts in your Flutter app. So here I have basic Flutter app about to run in my mobile device. So to use Google Fonts, first of all we have to edit in our project. So let's go to pop.dev and edit in our project quickly. Just go to pop.dev and search for Google Fonts. And open it, and now go to installing tab and just copy this code. Okay, flutter pub at Google Fonts. And if you go in the readme, you can see how we can use Google Fonts in our app. So there are different ways that we can use, like for example, if we want like Google Fonts, specific Google font for this specific text, then we can directly provide uh, Google Fonts dot font name in a style property of text widget, or we can add Google Fonts with the text style widget provided by the Flutter as well, or we can globally use the same font across our app. Okay, so we will go through this. So let me go back to the app and let me add the package first. So I will just paste the command here, and if you check prospect.yaml file, you will see this package soon. Okay, and here our app is ready. So here new package is installed. So to make it live in our app, we must stop the app and run again, otherwise we will get something like platform exception, is this package will not be fully built. So let me stop the app again and I will rerun. Okay, so that the package will be built. Just click on start debugging and I will make a screen here. So let me create a screens folder and I will make a home screen here. So I'm creating this screen just to demonstrate the different fonts. Okay, so let me import the material package. Okay, the suggestion is not working. I will package flutter slash material dot. So this is not working. Let's wait for a few seconds so that our editor will be ready. In the meantime, I will show you how you can actually implement the Google Fonts. Okay, but the editor is ready now, I guess. So let's continue with this. Okay. Or we can write the code manually. It is all it doesn't work. Okay, so class home page extends stateless widget, and we have to override a build function. Okay, override okay, I can't remember the syntax. Okay, let me just copy this. And this widget must return a this build function must return a widget, so we are going to return scaffold widget. Okay, and our app is rebuilt again as well. Now let me provide an app bar, title, text, Google Fonts, Google Fonts demo. Okay, and in the body, let me use a column widget. In the children, I will provide a several text widget. Okay, demo text one. So I will have total of 2, 3. I don't think we need this much. Okay, so we have total of 5 widgets, and let me navigate to the home screen. Instead of this my home page, we can directly go to home page, and the package is automatically imported. So let me restart the app now, and let's go back to the Google Fonts documentation. Okay, so here we can directly use Google Fonts from the style property. Let's give it a try. So let's provide style. In the style, we are going to use Google Fonts dot Lato or something like Sophia, so that we can easily distinguish the font. Okay, and okay, let me see your mobile screen, and here you can see the text. Okay, so for the text one, I'm going to use this Sophia font family, and let's check either it works or not. If you can see here, the font family of this text is changed to Sophia. So let's check another way of using font. Okay, so another way is you can provide text style as well. Okay, let's go back to the documentation, and here you can see we can use something like this Google Fonts.lato, and inside there we can provide the text style. So let's try this. In the style, we can directly use Google Fonts dot satisfy, and here you can provide text style, and inside here we can use text style widget, and let's change the font size to 22, I guess. So let's check it now, and here you can see the font style is satisfy, and okay, font family is satisfy, and text we have our own text style as well. Okay, so like I have provided font size, we can simply provide font weight and color respectively. Okay, so let's leave that. Let's change this to Lato, and here you can see the font is changed instantly. So if we have to use the same font all over the app, then we can use the text theme property. So let's try that. Okay, so in the main.dart file, inside the material app, go to the theme data, and here you have to provide text theme. And if you go back in the documentation, we have something okay, like here we can provide something like Google Fonts dot Lato text theme, and we can provide this basic text theme. Okay, so let's do it. Just in the text theme, change to Google Fonts dot Lato text theme. So this is a function, and if you hover in this, then we have to provide text theme. So let's provide uh, theme. So we are going to provide the default text theme. Okay, theme dot of context dot text theme. So I guess now the every uh, text have the font family of this letter. Okay, so let's check this now. Now as you can see here, the font families are changed, but uh, these values are not overridden because we have explicitly mentioned the font family here. Like for this Sophia, it is still a Sophia font. So we can directly put something like this if the font family is same in most of the places. So this is how we can use the Google fonts. So let's go to the custom fonts. Okay, so here I have list of custom fonts. I will provide the link in the description. You can download the font from there. So let me go back to our project, and here I have a folder named fonts, and here I have font like alike, Quando, Satisfy, and Sophia. So uh, let's move this folder to fonts demo. Okay, so inside the fonts demo folder we have fonts folder, and inside fonts folder we have different font families. So these are the custom font families, and it have extension of TTF, true type font. Okay, so as we are using the new fonts, so I would like to stop the app again and run it. Okay, so uh, you have to make a folder something like fonts and add all the font families there, and we have to mention that we are using those fonts in our prospect.yml. I apologize for the disturbance. So if you scroll down here, uh, you can see the option of fonts here. Okay, so let's just uncomment these. Okay, and here we can replace these values with our actual font value. Okay, so let's go back to our fonts folder, and here our font family is let's do it for Quando. Okay, so let's use Quando, 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 and we have to provide a folder. Okay, like I mean the path, that is font slash Quando.ttf, Quando.ttf, and we can get it from this. Okay, and let's use satisfy font. So let's write font family name satisfy, and its path is font slash satisfy.ttf, and let me comment this. Okay, similarly you can use new fonts you like. Okay, and our application is also built, so let's try these fonts. Okay, So make sure that uh, there are files inside fonts and you haven't missed the indentation. Okay, a post-figured YAML file is sensitive, and if you make a small space or something like it will not work. Okay, or you will see the error in the output or in the debug console. Okay, so let's wait till the application is built and we can check and confirm either these fonts family work or not. Finally, the app is installed and you can see the change in the font family. Like we have different font for this Quando and different for this Satisfy, and we have successfully implemented uh, Google fonts as well as custom fonts. So guys, how was this video? If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you have any problems while following the steps shown here, please don't hesitate to comment below, or you can simply ask us at askflutter.com. Thank you for watching.